Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down the essentials so you can move fast. Choose a language and install its toolchain, then initialize a Git repo and push to remote. Explain why. Version control tracks changes and lets you revert mistakes. Once done, scaffold a tiny project with README and Git ignore so dependencies don't leak. Make sure to run one simple program to confirm the environment. This proves the compiler or interpreter, package manager, and path are all correct before you add complexity. Now build the core. Break the problem into modules and write tests first so you define expected behavior. Explain how tests guard against regressions and why small commits let you bisect failures. Once tests pass locally, push and let CI validate across platforms. Make sure to run linters and static analysis to catch errors early, then profile to find true bottlenecks. Iterate, refactor for clarity, benchmark critical paths, and always update API docs with usage examples so other developers can adopt your work. Finish by automating deployment and observability so your system runs reliably in production. You containerize and use infrastructure as code, then set up monitoring and alerts to detect issues quickly. Explain why. Automation reduces human error and observability shortens mean time to resolution. If something breaks, roll back to a known good release, reproduce the issue locally, and inspect logs and traces. Make sure to bisect commits if needed. A single targeted revert often fixes regressions while you craft a proper patch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.